next machine I'm going to cover is another abdominal machine. This one is the Cybex Ab Crunch. This one has one adjustment on it. The adjustment is down here. So what I do is I can adjust my seat height by disengaging the pin, moving this up and down. Notice my free hand is moving up and down. There's also another adjustment on here that is a tension pin. If I move it to the left, counterclockwise, that will release it. And if I move it clockwise, that secures the seat in place so it doesn't go down. From here, I'm going to adjust my seat so when I sit forward, the edge of this pad should be sitting at the top portion of my chest. Now the trick on this is to actually slide your hips forward. I don't want to be back. I don't want to be draped over and just going down my body weight. I want to transfer the exercise to my abs. So in order to do that, I slip my hip forward and I can secure myself with the seat belt, which keeps my hips down. So my hips are forward. I'm going to cross my arms on top, keep my chin up. Then from here, I'm going to crunch down using my abs only. My arms are only there to support the weight. And I'm not pressing with my arms. I'm pulling with my abs. And I want to contract my abs to the bottom portion. If I want to advance this even more, if I make a hissing sound through my teeth, what that does is that contracts the abs even more. So stretch the abs, breathe in, make the hissing noise, contract. Breathe in. Okay, and this can be an effective type exercise for the upper portion of your abdominals. When I'm done, disengage the seat belt.